Okay, so I've finally received my iPhone 17 Pro Max and we're going to unbox this together. So just to give you some background, it's been 4 years since I've purchased an iPhone. I'm moving from a 13 Pro to a 17 Pro Max. I'm actually filming on the 13 Pro at the moment. In addition to the phone, I also picked up this case as well. So we'll do an unboxing of this phone, and then we'll do an unboxing of this of the case, and we'll snap it on. And let's just check out what the contrast, how it looks like, if it complements it, or if it doesn't look good. So I decided to go with orange. Normally I would go for a dull or a safe color. I thought I'd switch it up this year. So let's unbox this. All right, so I've just covered up, the IMEI numbers and the serial numbers there. So this is the 2 terabyte version. So that was one of the other reasons that I decided to go from a 13 Pro to a 17 Pro Max. Just to get that extra battery life, the extra internal storage as well. And looks like this just caught up on that little piece that did come off clearly. All right. Okay, so there it is. Well, so yeah, so this is quite an impressive color. Yeah, I like it. Good choice. So first impressions, yeah, I was concerned moving from an iPhone 13 Pro, which is 6.1 inches, and I've never owned a Max or a Plus model. It is going to be quite a bit of a shock to me. That's what I initially thought, but actually not that much. It's actually feels quite good in the hand. So yeah, like I said before, I thought I'd give it a try for the extra real estate, battery, and the storage. Being going from 1 terabyte on the 13 Pro to 2 terabytes. So let's do a quick stretch test. So on the 13 Pro, you can use that one-handed easily. This, I definitely think I'm going to be using the accessibility functions on this. So I do have probably small to medium size hands. So just to give you guys a reference, might also help you. Let's just thought I'd do a quick measurement as well of my hands. So all right, so go from middle finger all the way to the base of my hand. So all right, so that is probably, what is that? Yeah, looking at 19 centimeters. 19 centimeters, probably just under 19 centimeters actually. Yeah, we'll say 19 centimeters. And just the size of my palm, just under 9 centimeters. So 8.5 to 9 centimeters, say 8.75. So if you do have small hands, small to medium sized hands like mine, this is what it will feel like in your hands. All right, and this phone, so I'm in Australia. This phone, it does have a SIM tray, giving the customers the option between a physical SIM and an eSIM. So all Australian models do, and I understand that's not the case in other countries. So, all right, now let's have a look at what else is in the box. So I got that, yeah, got the SIM pin, and also got, yeah, the charger as well. Okay, so charger, and this does feel different to previous chargers. So this is, yeah, right. So it's like a texture coated, fabric coated charger. Interesting. So look and see if there's anything underneath it. No. All right, so that's it. It's pretty simple. All right, let's have a look at the buttons as well. Sides. That's where the SIM card will go. Volume buttons. All right, so it's not too bad. So let's stick on the silicone case. See how it feels with the silicone case on. Yeah, it feels nice. What else is in the box? Some paperwork. All right, so that's contrast between the blue silicone case, the cosmic orange phone. So I'm not going to put on a screen protector. I'm not going to bother with that. I have had a screen protector in the past on my 13 Pro. I actually got a really good one. It was a Shellrest screen protector. They're not cheap. I think they cost me over $100. It did its job. I actually I dropped a dumbbell on it in the gym. The screen protector cracked. It did its job. When I removed it, there was a hairline crack though on the actual screen, on the phone screen itself. With this phone, the carrier is actually offering free insurance or free screen protection. You just got to pay a $99 excess in the event that you do damage the screen, which is going to cost less than actually getting an actual high-end screen protector anyway. So one other thing I just noticed, after putting on this silicone case, I noticed these edges around here. Can you see those orange edges from the phone? Obviously, the phone color and that contrast. I initially thought, I didn't snap the case on properly, and I was pushing it in to snap it properly. However, it looks like that's just just like a little nice added touch. If you do have a contrasting case, it would probably be less apparent if you had something like the orange case. But yeah, so just at that right angle and in the right light, you can see it. When you're dead on looking at it, it's not as apparent. But yeah, so it's just at that angle and that light, you can see it. You can see it when it is dead on though. In the right lighting conditions. Not sure if it's coming through. Yeah, so that's just another nice little touch. Just put the light on as well and just see how that color looks under the light. Take off the case. All right, starting up. Signature Apple startup. All right, everyone. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.